you all are doing fine at home. Today we are going to recapitulate letter T. Which letter is this? Letter T. How do we make a T? A sleeping line and a standing line. What does T says? T says T. T, T, T. How do we make a T? A standing line, a small curve and a sleeping line. What does T says? T says T. T, T, T. Now let's all listen to a story. Story of a boy. His name is Tom. 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 Say hi to Tom. Hi Tom. Tom lives in a tent. 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 The tent is near a tree. 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 One day, Tom went in train. Train. To meet his friend Teddy Bear. Teddy Bear. Teddy Bear. I hope you all enjoyed the story. Please repeat the same at home. Bye-bye.